Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your mathematics teacher. In previous video, I have already given a solution for the solving quadratic equation, but in this video also I will give you a solution for the quadratic equation, which is little bit different from the previous video. So for this I have taken one question here. Solve under root 3 x square plus 10x minus 8 under root 3 is equal to 0. So you will have to solve this equation. As we know that quadratic equation will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Write it. Quadratic equation will be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So by comparison, we get here a is equal to under root 3, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to minus 8 under root 3. So here we get AC means under root 3 into minus 8 under root 3. It will be under root 3 it will be 3 and 8. 8 3 are 24. So minus 24. As we know that for solving quadratic equation, we need to split B, this one, in such two parts that the sum should be equal to the B, but the product should be equal to the AC. So B we can write here 12 minus 2, because 12 2 are 24 and 12 minus 2 it will be 10. So using these things we will solve the question. So under root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 under root 3 is equal to 0. So in place of 10 we will put 12 minus 2 under root 3x square plus 12x minus 2x. The value will remain same. 12 2 are 24, this one, and 12 minus 2 it will be 10x minus 8 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now here we see under root 3, but here there is no under root 3, so we will convert this one in the form of under root 3. So it will be here under root 3x square plus, we can write this one under root 3 into 4 under root 3, because under root 3 it will be 3 and 3 4s are 12. So this value will remain constant, and here x minus 2x minus 8 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now from these two parts we will take common under root 3. So here under root 3 and x can be also taken common. So here one x will be remained, and when we take under root 3 common, here it will remain 4 under root 3. So it will be x plus 4 under root 3. Now from this portion, this one, when we take common minus 2, it will be x plus 4 under root 3, because 4 2 is 8. So it will be x plus 4 under root 3 is equal to 0. Now here we can take common x plus 4 under root 3 So it will remain under root 3 into x minus 2. So these are the two factors of the given quadratic equation. Now we need to find the value of x. So when x plus 4 under root 3 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 4 under root 3. And if under root 3 x minus 2 is equal to 0, that time under root 3 into x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 upon under root 3. So these are the two solutions of the given quadratic equation. For solving any quadratic equation, first of all, you will have to multiply AC, this coefficient and this constant term, and after that you will have to split the coefficient of x, means B, this one, in two such parts that the product should be equal to the AC, but the sum should be equal to the B. So this way you can split two parts, B, in two parts, and after that, taking the common factor, we will get the solution. That's all. Thank you.